Hi everybody, this is Bupin the Tube. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to cancel your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. This also applies to any other subscriptions you have in Amazon. It's pretty tricky to cancel it, and I want to show you step by step how to do it. So now you're in Amazon Music page, and you might be thinking there should be something in here that you could use to cancel it, but no, it's not here. You need to go to your Amazon website, whether it's amazon.co.uk website or amazon.com, which is for US. You come there, and then you need to go to your account and just click there, just like that. Click there, and then you should see here Prime. Just select that by clicking it, and then you need to go to Prime Music and click on Listen Now. That's interesting. Yeah, Listen Now. It brings you to here, not to the first one, not here, but to this one. And then the interesting thing you need to go is to go to the settings. You go to the settings. Okay, here it shows what you got. It gives you some another offer. I've already got a nice offer actually. For 3 months I paid 0, so I saved £23. But it once it expires, it renews itself automatically. And what can you do is that you can cancel it, and that's the purpose of this video. So you click on cancel subscription, and it will ask you what's the reason for cancellation. You could always say something else, or you could say it's too expensive. Then you should say submit and continue to cancel. They give you more options, all the possible options that you could have to save you money according to your wishes. But none of these options is good for me, so I still say cancel my subscription until your subscription ends. This is important, so that's good. So it's not gonna disappear all of a sudden. You're gonna still continue until your subscription ends. So if you just confirm cancellation, you can see here it's changed now. It says continue subscription rather than cancel subscription. So it saved you hassle thinking about it when to cancel it. Thanks guys for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to share. And as you can see on the screen, there are a couple of more videos that you can click on and continue watching on my channel. And any suggestion, please put it in the comments below. I'm happy to listen and improve my channel as I go along.